What are the top 3 relationship documents for your marriage green card case? Hi, I'm attorney Jay Francis. I'm a U.S. immigration lawyer based in Chicago, but serving all 50 states. When you submit your marriage green card case, you'll be submitting many USCIS forms and also supporting documents such as biographic, relationship, and financial documents. Also, good idea to include a 693 medical legal exam report with your forms and supporting documents. So, why is it important to submit the strong relationship documents? And this is why. USCIS, when they review your case, they start with the assumption that you just got married for immigration benefits only. Your task is to counter that negative assumption, showing that you and your spouse have built a bona fide real relationship, not just trying to get immigration benefits. So today, I'm going to talk about top 3 relationship documents that USCIS expect to see and also love to see. Number 3, joint bank documents. One of the review criteria for your marriage green card case is to show financial commingling. It means that you and your spouse put your financial resources together. There's a multiple joint financial documents you may submit. But out of all this, joint bank documents are crucial for your success of your case. The joint bank documents means that you have an actual joint bank account, not just joint access to your online account. And when you properly prepare and submit a joint bank statement, right, your joint bank account documents, you're going to have a joint account application. You'll submit debit cards. And number 3, joint bank statements. This will show that you and your spouse financially commingle and then build financials together. But important to use it actively, not just putting some money and not doing anything. That's why having joint saving account has limited value, because the savings account, you don't make a lot of transactions, right? The idea is that you put away some money and accrue some interest. But in contrast, joint checking account, you can use a debit card or you can use the checks. And then the crucial element is to show transaction. But some of you don't have a social security number. Many banks will require social security number. So I'm going to make another video on how to make your account joint when you don't have a social security number. Next. Number 2, joint residency documents. In addition to showing that you and your spouse financially commingling your financial resources, USCIS expect to show that you live together. Obviously, in most cases, you'll be living together, but you need to back it up with lots of supporting documents. Once again, showing USCIS that you live together physically full-time is absolutely crucial and important to get your case approved. Avoid annoying requests for evidence. Avoiding interviews, especially separate interviews. And also avoiding long delays before, after interview, if they schedule interview. The best type of joint residency documents would be submitting joint lease agreement. You're renting, and then you submit the lease agreement showing both of your name and common joint residency, best kind. If you and your spouse happen to be a joint homeowner, then you can submit title deed, joint title deed, or joint mortgage statement, or both. On top of that, good idea to submit joint utility bills, gas, electricity, internet, because it's going to show both of your names and same address. In some case, your utility companies will show one of your name. So, for example, gas bill shows U.S. citizen petitioner's name only, but electricity bill shows the foreign spouse name. That's okay. I call it mix and match. But once again, there are some variations, right? Number one, right? One of you is just homeowner, not both of you. Then what do? In some cases, you're young, you live with your parents or in-law, so you don't have a lease agreement or joint home ownership documents. And other occasion, you don't have a social security number, so your landlord or management company not willing to add a spouse without social security number. And then same with the utility bills. Many utility companies will not allow foreign spouse without social security number to be added. And then also, not all of you live together. For some good reasons and others, not so strong reasons. But whatever that is, you don't live together full time. You have a long distance relationship after your marriage. So what do? These are the tricky situations. I'm going to make follow-up videos on those circumstances. Number one, joint child or pregnancy. Why? Because it is simply rare. In 21st century in America, not many couple have a babies or have a pregnancy going. It's simply rare. That's why this is like number one relationship document. When you have a baby, USCIS will think that this is like supreme example of couples showing affection to each other, and you have a result. Not only it is very rare, also if you have a child together or have a pregnancy going, you'll be able to submit many supporting documents, just a lot of them. For example, if you have joint child together, you can submit a birth certificate showing both of your name. There you go, right? Now, whether you're pregnant or have a joint child, you'll be able to submit many supporting documents, such as baby shower, baby registry, and then perhaps lots of online shopping receipt. So for example, when you purchase a stroller, try to purchase online and get it delivered to your home because it's going to show your address. If you are pregnant at this point or at the time of filing, then you can submit a doctor's note showing that you're pregnant and due dates, and also ultrasound pictures. Whether you are just pregnant or have a children together, you'll be able to submit lots of pictures. I'm sure that you're posting pictures of your babies, your family, to social media, because in most cases, foreign spouse, parents, and families and friends, they live overseas. They're not able to see just like loving baby pictures and family in person. So Lots of supporting documents. Collect, develop, submit strong relationship documents. That's the best way to avoid annoying requests for evidence, the relationship one. Number two, avoid separate interviews. If you're scheduled for interview, chances will be joint interview if you submitted strong relationship documents. And number three, best way to avoid long delays before, after interview, if there's one. Also, in some USCIS field offices, when they become suspicious of your relationship before, after interview, then they will issue notice of intent to deny with very short response due dates, which is 33 days. So once again, collecting, developing, submitting strong relationship documents are the best way to get approval, not just approval, fast approval. Stay tuned for additional videos. Thank you.